And okay. All right, now let's see the answer for this one. Now, the diagram on the right shows a circle. So given that the length of the arc RS is 2 of QR is equals to 2 QR. So if let's say I jot this down, okay, it's 2 QR. So you and he gives you the angle as below. So he wants you to calculate the what you call the angle of SPR. So we start with SPR first. So we can say angle of SPR divided by angle of Q. This one is SPR, then is the angle of SPR and QPR. QPR is equals to the length of arc RS. Okay, this one. Okay, correct. This one will get this. Divide by. Now I get QPR, so compared to arc QR. And this one we know that this is the one we want to find, SPR, and QPR is 35. Arc RS is 2 times of QR, so you can say 2 QR over QR. So like that. So you get 2. This one moves here, so SPR equals to 35 times 2, which is equal to 70 degrees. Yeah. Now it wants you to get the angle of SPR, you already get it. So this one is 70. And he wants you to get the SRP or the here. All right, so first, we make it like this, so SRI. So now we said 180 degrees, okay, equals to this one, internal all is 100 degrees. So it's equals to angle of SPR plus SRP plus this one is QSR again plus and then the other one is QSP. Okay, now first SPR is 70 degrees plus angle of SRP, then plus QSR. QSR is equals to QPR. Okay, right? Angle of QSR equals to angle of QPR, which is equals to 35, right? 35 degree, and then plus another one, 45 degree. So with this, you will get angle of SRP plus 80, 150. Angle of SRP will be equal to this one moves here, 180 degree minus 150 degree, where the answer shall be 30 degree. All right. Correct. Okay, good. Now next. In the diagram on the right, so the length of the arc QPT is 3RS. So arc Q length QPT, the arc of Q here, from here to here. From here to here is equals to 3 RS. RS is here. Okay. Now, he said he asked you to determine the what you call the when he gives you this kind of angle, so he wants you to determine the value of RQS. First one, RQS. Okay. So first, angle of QST, sorry, QST is equals to QRT, correct? QRT, and which is equals to 66. Then angle of RQS divided by angle of QST will be equals to arc RS divided by arc QPT. So you see QST, so QPT. Okay, this is RS. For RS is for the RQS. You see. So from here you just substitute. Okay, everything inside. So angle of RQS over by 66 degree equals to arc RS over arc QPT here. QPT is 3 RS, right? So RS over by 3 RS, correct? So equals to 1 over 3. Okay, so I move this one here. So RQS equals to 1 over 3 times 66, so which is 22 degree. Okay. Now for B, he wants you to find TUS. TUS like that. Wow, this one very small one. So first, we need to find the angle for first we try to find this one, PST first. Okay, PST. So let's see. So the angle of PST equals to QST minus QSP. Means that QST minus QSP, then you get this one, correct? Which is equals to the total for this one is actually 66 minus 26, which is equals to 40. And we all know that the summation of the internal one is 180. So we say TUS, the angle of TUS plus angle of UST plus angle of UTS is equals to 180. This one we don't know, but plus this one we did know. First, the UST we know. UST is equals to 40. Then the UTS is just now this one and this one is the same, correct? So wait, just now RQS is 22. So plus 22 equals to 180. So then TUS will be equals to 180 minus 40 minus 22. So you get 118 degree. See? Okay. Then let's see TPS. TPS, this one. Now, you see, for TPS, it's even easier because this one is a triangle. You see, and we already know that the what I call the UST is UST just now is how much? 40. This one we already know is 40, correct? So what we can do here is 180 equals to TPS plus PTS plus PST. So angle of TPS will be plus 40 plus 100 will be equals to 180. So move everything there. So TPS will be 180 minus 140, so which is 40 degree. Okay, correct? Okay. All right, so let's see the what you call. Let's see the next part. Is what is the relationship between the angles and the center of a circle? Okay, and the angle at the circumference. Okay, they are subtended by the same arc. So blah 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 blah. We don't see, so we just see the idea. So somehow you see, in general, same arc. The one they go to circumference and the compared to the one go to center. Normally, this one is x. This one should be 2x. Same goes here. Same arc to the side, x. To the center, become 2x. Okay? Similar as well, and similar as this one as well. But this one is the balik arc, because why? We will normally, this one like that, the arc is PR, the big arc of PR, you see? Not the small arc, the big one. So that's why this one is 2x here, then PQR here, x. Okay, we are considered the big arc. Can you understand? Can I? Okay, jot this down. This no need jot this down. We just now let's see. Determine the value of x and y for each of the following. Now, this one, okay, for this one is 80, so x will be, this one is 2x, 2x equals to 80, so x will be equals to 1 over 2 times 80, which is 40. And y equals to x, because they are same arc, so is 40 as well. Same goes here. This one is 35, so this one also 35. X is 35, y will be 2x, which is 70. And as for this one is 140. So first we try to get x. X is 360 minus 140. Correct? So you get 220. 220 for x. And this one, y, is half of x. So 220 times divide by 2, you get 110. Okay? Okay? All right. So try, let me check. Maybe you try 3 and I think 3 and 4. Your school now until which chapter? This one is what? Finish. Not yet. We are faster or they are faster? They are faster. Oh, we are faster. Oh, okay. Then okay lah. At least you will use your school one as your backup. I mean, the refresh memory. Okay. Just now you guys comes the weather go dark again, huh? Hujan lagi, oh. Pening. Why you know? Because I don't like why I don't like raining. Huh? Raining at night sometimes makes me sleepy, and I want to do works during. How many? I think this is the. Is it the last class that we need to replace? I think so. I think so, right? Okay. So hopefully we don't have class anymore. No, don't have class to replace anymore. I don't like work at Sunday actually, as you guys don't like to tuition at Sunday. Like this, you need to see me again tomorrow. So means that I cannot give you too much homework, means because you don't have time. Tiring. You guys haven't sent me your exam marks, all the exam marks, it's okay. I just want to check on it. Don't worry. I'm not going to scold you or nothing. No, I just want to. Yeah. I want to. I want to. How to say? At least you need. I need it for like. How to say to do some. I want to understand your performance. That's it. from here to Dubai. What song is it? Tamil song is it? The one just now. Is it a Tamil song? Yeah, that's right. I'm quite familiar, you know. My housemate, no, my neighbor when I was in university, they like to make the Tamil song go loudly, you see. But the Tamil song seems lively. Sometimes I don't know. I cannot differentiate the Tamil and what you call it. The Indian one is called Hindi, is it? Hindu, or the language is called Hindu. Uh, 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 Here we just use Tamil, but the other side, I heard that there are lots of Bangladesh. They have their own. Pakistan have their own, and also they say the north and the south one also have their own. So that's why. But No, it's called Hindi, is it? There's one of them is called Hindi. There's some of the Hindi, the Bollywood one was mostly Hindi. Yeah. So I cannot differentiate between these two. But sounds lively. The sounds looks very lively. No. Yeah. All right, so let's see the answer. All right, because this one requires some drawings. I'm very lazy. So I'm going to use the snapshots from my computer. Now, okay. Now let's see. The diagram on the right shows a circle with a center of O. Normally, the center we will use O as the label. Okay. So calculate the value of x, y, and z. So first we start with x. So x plus 250, you get 360 degree. And we call this as conjugate angle. It means that two angles combined form a full round, full circle. And this one moves here, x will be equal to 110. Then we try to take y. So y is equals to, this one is 2x, this one is x, like that. So now we will use y is equal to x over 2 by using this, what I call this theory. So 110 divided by 2, you get 55 degree. Then it's the same thing. Then for z, z is actually the 250 divided by 2. Okay, because z okay, this z is using this major arc here. Correct? So the major arc angle for outside this one as well. So it's 250 divided by 2, so you get 125. Okay? Can by using this theory. Can Okay, wait. All right, so let's see the next one. The diagram on the right. So the diagram on the right shows a circle with a center of O. So given that POR, okay, POR is 112 and PUT is 88. So determine the value of, so first PQR. So we should use this one. The outside angle is 2x and this one is x. So the conjugate angle of POR will be 360 minus 112, which is 248. And PQR is half of 248, which is 124. And then for UST is where? UST, okay. Now, first, okay, UST is actually this one. So this one and what I call this one and this one is half, correct? PST is the half of this. So, and you can get this by using the 180 minus 112. So you get POT first. POT is 180 minus 112, which is 68. And UST is equals to PST. So if it is equals to half of this, so half of 68, which is 34 degree. Then for C, RS or RST, okay, you see this one, we don't have the line, so you need to, oh, sorry, RTS is actually this one. So RTS, you can also, or we don't have, we just have this one. So, okay, first we need to get the white card. We need to get this one and this one. So this one we already have, correct? So we first get the TUS first. TUS is 180 minus 88, correct? So you get 180 minus 88, 92. And this RTS is also RTS is equals to UTS and at the same time, so we use the formula of this one add together, where you get 92. This one is 92. This one is just now we calculate 34. Okay, plus RTX equals to 180 because it's a triangle. So these two moves here, so you get RTX equals to 54. Right? Did we correctly?
88 minus 54.
Then cannot. 88 minus 34. Cannot. It's the same thing actually. You are using the outer angle minus the inner one. I mean the opposite angle should be okay. Done, huh? Okay, good. So let us continue. Now, the central angle of circle is proportional to the arc length. So what he's trying to say here is, let's say, if this one is 2y, this one is y. For you see, this arc is PQ is 2 of this. So it means that the proportion is proportional. It's like just now the angle that we do, the ratio is similar. So if the arc length is double, so of course the angle at the central angle will be double as well. Okay, pretty easy, Can you understand, Can, All right, now, like that already can do. Wait, calculate value of this one. Doesn't really matter. I guess you can straight away do 2 and 3, I guess. I guess you can do 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 晚上吃饭没有？没有啦，晚上我补习补到9点半呢，想吃饭呢。我该不买了两个杯面了，那随便吃一个杯面就好了。Yeah, that's right. Right now, the diagram on the right, okay, shows a circle with center O, where the length of the arc AB equals to PQ. So determine the value of X. Now, AB and PQ is the same. So somehow, so that's why from here we can say the angle of PRQ is equals to 1/2 times angle of POQ. Correct? So this one you will get 1/2 times 80, which is 40 degrees. Now, X can be almost, sorry, we should explain first. So we should explain like arc AB equals to arc PQ. So X equals to PRQ, which is equals to 40 degree. Okay? Okay? Now, which angle also has the same value as X? Because you see from here, OR to OQ is the same, correct? You see these two, for B, OR equals to OQ, which is both are radius. So with this, the triangle of PQO is isosceles triangle. So hence, angle of ORQ is equals to angle of OQR, which is equals to X. Okay? You do it correctly? Okay, correct? Let me check. Yeah? All right, now. So the diagram on the right shows a circle with a center of O, and it's given that the length of arc CD is equals to 10 and BOD is 160 degree. So if the length of BCD is equals to 2CD, so and FEG equals to 1/4 FEG is where FEG is 1/4 of BOD. So he wants you to determine the Y, the value of Y first. So first, for AI, given that we know that FEG is equals to 1/4 BOD, correct? So this one you can use 1/4 times 160 degree, which is equal to 40 degree. All right, then for B, given that the X, he wants you to get the value of what? Y or X. It's actually X. Oh, sorry. FEG is actually Y. So now he wants you to get the length of X here. So now you see, given that, okay, arc BCD is equals to 2CD. So from here, BOD, the angle of BOD will be equals to 2 times the angle of COD. Okay? So with this, angle of COD, this one moves here, will be equals to 1/2 times angle of BOD. 1/2 of 160 degree, which is equals to 80 degree. Now, the other way around. Because the angle in the center is suspended by FG. The angle of what you call? Means that if I create another from here to here, you see? So the other way around, so there will be an angle of FOG. So FOG will be equals to this one. FOG is 2 of this one. So 2 times angle of FEG, which is 2 times 40 degree, which is equals to 80 degree as well. Now, from here you see FOG is equals to the angle of COD. Both are 80, correct? So we know that arc of FG, will be equals to arc of CD. So from here, X will be equals to 10 cm. Okay? Correct? All right. Okay. So I think I stop here for today because this one later on we go through, then we need to do the exercise again. And tomorrow we have class, so no time for you to do exercise. Okay. So I think I will stop here for today. Stop a bit early. Any questions before we dismiss? No? Okay. All right. So I think I will stop here for today. We should meet each other. We should